IT stakeholders are the people or groups that have an interest or concern in the development, use, and impact of information technology. They include everyone from software developers and hardware manufacturers to end users and policymakers. Non-human species such as animals and plants, and even entire ecosystems, can also be seen as stakeholders in IT systems, since they are affected by those systems. Various stakeholders often have different priorities and expectations, which can lead to conflicting interests. Understanding their roles and influences helps in designing and implementing IT systems that support sustainability. Consider the example of social media platforms. Users want these platforms to be easy to use and secure, while advertisers demand effective ways to reach potential customers. Meanwhile, regulators and civic groups may push for strong privacy protections and ethical data use. This mix of stakeholder interests can lead to a wide range of outcomes, from innovative services to serious privacy concerns. A notable instance was when several groups voiced concerns about how some platforms used algorithms that spread incorrect information, driving developers to rethink their approaches. Understanding IT stakeholders connects directly to topics including ethical technology use, the digital divide, and energy consumption. Developers and companies must consider the ecological impacts of their technologies, requiring life cycle assessments and attention to energy efficiency. Differentiated access to technology can exacerbate social harm, while mindful design and policy can help bridge the digital divide, thus improving fairness and access to information. Ethical considerations in data and resource management are also crucial in designing technologies that align with the long-term best interests of life on Earth. The impacts of IT stakeholders can be seen in initiatives like the creation of electronic waste recycling programs. Various stakeholders, including governments, tech manufacturers, and environmental groups, have worked together to address the mounting problem of discarded electronic devices. On the biological front, proper e-waste disposal prevents harmful substances such as lead and mercury from leaking into soil and waterways, safeguarding both ecosystems and human health. Such collaborative efforts represent a step forward in prioritizing the well-being of the planet while balancing economic and technological growth. Exploring stakeholder influence in other sectors reveals additional social and biological dimensions. First, consider the connection between IT stakeholders and fair labor practices in the tech industry, where the push for transparency can lead to better working conditions and more viable pay structures. Second, advancements in energy-efficient computing can reduce emissions and mitigate climate change impacts, which reduces those systems' impacts on non-human stakeholders in particular. Finally, conservation technology illustrates a biological intersection, such as the use of satellite imagery to track deforestation rates and protect habitats. Each example underlines the importance of collaboration among a range of IT stakeholders to drive sustainable and ethical advancement.